Okay, so as you can see, what we just saw come over this afternoon, that's what we call the RAF, and that's A400M we've just seen came over once again this week anyway. So as you can see, this is the same registration as what we saw from last week anyway. As I remember, last week he was doing some proper circuits over at RNS Cold Rose last week anyway, but now this time it's just, as you can see, this time he's just doing less of a circuit this time over Cold Rose apparently. So yeah, as you can see, the course on here I've not seen before is, as you can see, it's COMET45 it is. So yeah, so as you can see, the course on this one, which I've not seen before, is COMET45 this is. So yeah, I think this is where I saw the point where I just missed out the first flight pass of it earlier on. Apparently this is where I've missed out the flight pass to start with anyway, as it kind of got me off guard anyway. So yeah. So yeah, this is the point where it just kind of got me off guard on that one anyway. This is where I missed out the first flight pass, which obviously I think it kind of flown overhead past me, I think anyway. I think this is where it kind of got to the point where it nearly flew overhead past me anyway, which it normally did, which it almost did anyway. So as you can see, so far he's only just done one circuit over Cold Rose anyway, and then just from here he then just came here, did a low pass over in Falmouth Bay, which this is what we just saw it doing anyway. So yeah, literally he was passing over towards Falmouth Bay around 400 feet he was anyway. Literally, like, he just came down for a very low pass he did though. So yeah, and as you can see, I think the time it took off from Brighton Norton was, as you can see, possibly around 12 o'clock it took off. So that took off just after 12 o'clock anyway, just from his base at Brighton Norton anyway, just from his base area of Brighton Norton anyway. So yeah, this is probably the time it took off from anyway, which is in Gloucestershire. So yeah, so as you can see, it worked on all the way from Gloucester, just somewhere near Gloucester, and then somewhere just over, looks like probably just over by Wales anyway, somewhere nearer to RAF Valley I believe, so possibly somewhere around that area I think anyway. But obviously I can't even see because the sun's probably in the way apparently, which I can't obviously tell though. Sometimes it can be quite annoying, but yeah, sometimes it can be quite annoying. So yeah, this is where it just worked all the way to apparently. So as you can see, worked all the way from Wales apparently. So it's been over Wales, and then for some reason he just did a high pass, and then some reason then dropped down for low pass. And she then passed over near Swansea, and then passed over North Devon, and then come down into Cornwall. And as you can see, came down into North Cornwall, and then flew past over in South Cornwall. So yeah, as you can see, it flew past over South Cornwall from here. So yeah, it looks like it's just done a bit of a circuit over RNS Cold Rose apparently, which obviously it's just done a little bit of a circuit over at RNS Cold Rose this afternoon anyway. It's just only done a little bit of circuit. So yeah, okay, so yep, hopefully he should be heading back to his base at RAF Brighton Norton very soon. So yeah, I think this is the same registration as what we saw last week anyway. As the course on was on last week was on Grizzly, but now this time, as you can see, this is the new course one I've not seen before. As you can see, this COMET45 it is. Never knew that call sign registration before anyway, but I mean call sign. So yeah, never knew. So yeah. Okay, so yep. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.